Hey, kinesiology graduate students. Welcome to our Kinesiology 570 course, Research Methods in Kinesiology. Our course begins on March 6th, but I wanted to take a minute now just to say hello and to introduce myself, since we'll be interacting and you'll be hearing a lot of my voice in the recordings that will be coming out this week. So my name is Sean Sullivan, and I'm a faculty member on the main campus. So I've been teaching kinesiology at CBU for almost 18 years and had a great time, loved my time here. I teach at the undergraduate and graduate levels. I have 4 children. They range in age from 13-year-old daughter all the way up to a 21-year-old son. 2 boys, 2 girls. My wife's name is Michelle. And what else? A couple things about me. My degrees, bachelor's and master's degrees in kinesiology. My master's work was at San Diego State, where I did some work in sports medicine and athletic training. And then my PhD is in sport management. But I'm really, if you ask me what area of specialty I have, I'd say I'm a generalist in kinesiology. So I love physical activity. I love endurance sports right now. I like to run and swim and bike. So I love our discipline. I'm looking forward to getting to know you a little bit better. But for now, just wanted to say hello. Wanted to welcome you to our class and remind you that this week is called the 0 week, where you're just logging onto Blackboard and getting familiar with the course, reading the syllabus, and then getting ready for the start of our course next week. So please introduce yourself if you like, or send an email this week. Otherwise, I will begin updating videos related to our lectures in the next couple days. So I'm still making a couple of small edits to the Blackboard course, but all the materials that you need to be successful are already uploaded into Blackboard. So take a look at the course when you get a minute. And then, other than that, have a great week. I hope you're enjoying the weather wherever you're at. Here it's pretty rainy and kind of unusual for SoCal, but we're enjoying it. You'll be hearing from me very soon as we begin our class next week. Okay? God bless you as you begin this class. Take care, and I'll see you soon.